Hello my friends, I'm here with a very short video where I will show you this new journaling bundle that I made. Well, you will find here pretty much everything you need for your journaling. You only will need some scissors and glue and then you're ready to go. From my experience, I'm sure that it's enough for more than one, more than two. I'd say you can make like 3 journals with this stuff. Some materials here, they're new. Even I did not use them, like this, for example, fluffy trims and some snowflakes. Well, some things you will be using even before me, probably. So let me quickly show you what's inside. Of course, I want to begin with some papers. In this bundle, you will get some envelopes. Of course, they're different. They have different sizes, colors. Some money. These are fake, of course. The most important part is this, I think. These are my designs, and they were printed in a proper print shop using professional equipment, so the quality is quite high. Every bundle has a different set of pages, but they all come from the same collections. I will just show you like this so you will have an idea of what you can find there. There will be some cats and dogs, travel, some home stuff like kitchen and bedroom, of course some houses, food. You will find there some seasons like spring, fall, some dreamy stuff, and another side. But again, they're all different. It's just for you to have an idea, and I will not know in what bundle this particular paper will go, so please don't ask me that. Anyways, these are all pages that I use in my journals. Here we have 17 backgrounds. Also, I prepared some cutouts. Again, they will be different in different bundles, but just for you to have an idea of what you can get. As always, some cats and dogs, vintage stuff, some abstract, beautiful cards. These can be used in some magic or bohemian journals. Just so you know, there is a kitchen page in every set, and there is a house page also in every set. The rest is, well, again, they're similar, just for you to know that you can find that kitchen stuff in these bundles, because many of you love them from my previous journal. Here you will get 15 pages. These are printed designs, and here you will find a lot of different papers that I used in my journal. Some of them are super old. They're literally falling apart. You have to be very careful with them because they're really fragile. Some of them are new. You will find here some blank pages of different colors. There will be some nice blank backgrounds with these beautiful frames. Of course, some writing space. I have plenty of different pages like this. I mean, they're blank, but they are very different, very interesting. All this stuff you have already seen in my journals. These are really old. Well, not really, but like 30 years old. Also, there is some handwriting somewhere here. Let me show you. Like this stuff. This comes from 80s, 90s. I found this in an abandoned house. I think I told this story already. Once in a while I get this message saying that all this stuff comes from a 50-cent store. I confirm most of this stuff comes from a 50-cent store. Moreover, some of this stuff was like free. It was going to be thrown away, and I just pulled it almost from the garbage, cut some laces or some buttons or some pages. And you're very welcome to gather everything by yourself. If this is something yours, I'm sure you will have a lot of fun going to some flea markets or shopping in some 50-cent stores. But if you don't have that much time, or you love my collection that I've been gathering for, I don't know, since 2016, I think, then you're very welcome to get one of my bundles. Just in case, I remind you that I recycle everything, even packages, so even 300 euro journal is mailed in a used box. So basically, I just want to confirm that yes, I do use junk, and some people can save some time making comments about that. Now it's time to show you some of my laces, ribbons, I don't know what you call them. I will not go one by one because there are too many of them. I will just show it like this quickly. I don't want to waste your time. So here you can see some larger pieces of laces. Some trims are quite small. They're suitable for making tabs and pockets. I do love these ones. I never used the green stuff. I did use red and orange, I think. But again, some stuff is really new. I never used it. And I'm sure it will be real fun to play with these trims. I really love these laces. Just in case, these laces, they come from Temu. I'm not advertising anything, it's just I get a lot of these questions where I get my stuff from. So I'm just telling you that these beautiful, beautiful laces, they come from Temu. And sorry, I will not leave any links because again, it's too much of that. Here you can see some stretching stuff, also very useful. These trims are also really good for pockets and tabs. Most of these trims have 4 sizes. It's like 10 centimeters, 15, 21, and 30. Well, some of them are different, but these are sizes that I have in my journals. That's why I made them suitable to fit some pages. Again, I will not go one by one. I will show you just like that. So plenty of stuff. These are also new. These music ones, they're really cool. Black and white. I have also this fluffy stuff. I have a lot of fluffy stuff here. Also this beautiful trim. This one was not new. I did not buy it. I trimmed it off my niece's dress that went to recycling box. I find it beautiful. I will use it in my next Bohemian journal. And these are also new. I've got plenty of this. This stuff can be used. Let me show you. Let me show you some page. This stuff can be used like this on the side. So you already have this pretty edge, fluffy one. Also, you can make tabs with them, or they can make a nice top of the pocket. Well, there are plenty of ways to use it. and I bought a huge bundle of them, and I'm sharing them with you now. They're mostly grayish, bluish. They have different lengths, I mean widths, the lengths of these hairs. Some of them are long, some of them are short. Well, a lot of them. These are, I think most of them are 1 meter long. This is it with the laces and fabrics, let's call them fabrics. I will not open this bag. These are sequences, different ones. Some of them are really cool, some flowers and snowflakes and some drops here, different stuff. I've decided not to divide them into different bags. First of all, it's a lot of extra work to do, and another thing is too much plastic to use for each kind of sequences and small stuff. So I decided to leave it to you guys to play with them, to separate them if you want. Maybe you have some similar stuff and you will just put them in places. But yeah, that's what I did. Here you will find some butterflies and some seashells. Also, this stuff you have already seen in my journals. I will quickly show you what's in this bag. Again, I did not separate anything, and I actually think it's sort of meditative thing to do, to arrange all this stuff. Here you will find some clips, buttons, beads, charms, these little figurines, and brushes of different sizes and colors and shapes actually. Also, I've added a few closures. I think there are 3 of them, 2 or 3 closures. There is also one magnetic closure, tiny cool thing to play with. Some things to arrange your hanging stuff. I'm sure you will find a way to deal with that. Again, some pretty charms, of course, cats. It's impossible to be without cats. Some music stuff, instruments. For some reason I dropped these flowers here. There must be a bow is also here. It's the stuff that I use in my journals, and I'm really sure that you will find a way to use it all. Oh, I also have this in a bundle, but for those who want to buy them separately, those are called photo frame hooks, I think. In my language we call them anchors, but on Temu or AliExpress they're called photo frame something. They are quite different, I mean, in shapes, colors, materials, and they come with this brushes, I'm not sure how to call them properly. Anyway, this is it for now. For those who are interested in these bundles, I will leave a link to my Etsy shop in the description box. I almost forgot about this bag. Again, you can see that quite different stuff is in one place, so you will have to be like a Cinderella, separating all of them by colors or shapes. I don't know, it's up to you, or you can leave it just like that and enjoy picking them just as you go. Now this is it, and now I wish you guys to stay safe, healthy and creative.